Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and tonight we've got a bonus video for you because I'm super excited to show you this painting. This is a brand new painting brought to you by The Range, and it is so gorgeous. Look at this, it's got flowers in it, and it's even wearing, this lovely girl leopard is wearing a little necklace around her neck. And I didn't think I've ever seen a leopard, a cheetah, or it could well be a jaguar. I get them all mixed up because they all look the same. I don't think I've ever seen an animal painting wearing a necklace, and to some extent it looks like she's wearing a pink bow at the top, but I was going to save this for the zoo theme, but because it's got flowers in it, I'm bringing it forward. We're going to be doing this some point in the week, and now when you get this, it's either out of, because there's two different groups, so you've got the cow or the pig, or you've got this and a tiger, so it is mix and match what you get. It's one of them ones on the canvas, cardboard backing. I mean, just look at that. It's bloody gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. So get onto The Range now and get yours ordered before they go out of stock. I'm so happy, and I really, because I did a click and collect, and I wasn't sure whether I'll get this one or I'll get the tiger, and I just really prayed that I would get this one, and I did. So God provided yet again. So he's magic, he always provides. And look at this. Wow, this is interesting. That's not got the cellophane around it. It's normally cellophane in that, like, and then you cut it open. The bags are on their own, and these are on their own as well. That's interesting. And then obviously you got your bow pen and wax. Now they must have only just put these on the shelf, because when I went there the other day with my sister Hannah, they only had the cow and the little pig on the shelf. So these are the grills. So you've got the black, the green, another green, a pink, a sort of red colour. You've got yourself a pink, another pink, a brown, an orange, another brown, another gorgeous browny colour, a beige, a white, an orangey colour, a sort of white colour, a purple, a lilac, and a purple. Now let's get to the best bit, seeing what this is. Your legends down the side here, as you can see, some beautiful colours, and oh wow, this is really popping with colour. Apologies about the reflection there. We are working on daylight, and it's just gone 10 past 8. So there will be a little bit of reflection from the sun, which I can't really do much about, but it does look like that. But oh my God, look at this. There's so much bloody colour going on here. Stick is beautiful, and what's lovely is it's all filled. It's not a partial. So if you want to get this for yourself, grab it while you can. Your best option, as I always say, is to go into the store, because you can then pick one. They'll stack them, so you've got the leopard tiger, and then you can go in there and make sure you get this one if you really want that. The only downside is to ordering online that you could end up with either one, whether it be the tiger or the cheetah. But this is another batch that they bring out now. They've also got some puppy dogs as well. It's out of dogs and cats, and of course you've got your pig and your cow as well. So if you want to get this for yourself, hop onto the Range website, order it. They do next day delivery from £6.99, or you've got some saver options which are a little bit cheaper, but of course will be a 3 to 4 day wait. But anyway, that is that. I had to have it. £4.99 from The Range, and we'll start to roll these whipping chats out on this beautiful leopard or cheetah coming up from next week. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening. Take care. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.